loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today here in Michigan, it is currently 16 degrees in the middle of the day and we are freezing to say the least. So I had some wishful thinking and decided let's do a cute little spring DIY. I saw something really cute on Pinterest and I decided to put my very own twist on it and bring it to you guys. It would be fun for Easter, it would be fun for spring, and it's something that you can make with your kids. All the products that you see here are from Dollar Tree except for the batting and the pillow filler. I had that already in my stash along with the little puff and the pink headband. You need like pink felt or pink material for this, but everything else came from the Dollar Tree. So let's just jump right into it and see what I So here's my final project and I think it's stinking cute. It works for spring, it works for Easter, and I think your kids will love making this with you. You could probably do it with regular Elmer's glue to put on your ribbon and things like that, and decorate it any way you like. So that is it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee's Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. Hang out with us for a while. I have some more DIYs coming up for you guys for spring, and I'm involved in a couple of collabs that are coming up. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee's Space, same way that it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.